Hi, everybody.
Ah, wow.
I'm going to fire him in a minute.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Welcome to Lynette's Beauty Box.
That's
and
Lynette.
I'm Lynette. That's me, Lynette. So today, what I have for you is an unboxing. Now, we all love BoxyCharm. This is true. However, on this month, because it's the quarter month, it is BoxyLuxe. But on the BoxyLuxe months that we don't get it, which is, we get BoxyLuxe 4 times a year. So, on the months that we get BoxyLuxe, we don't get the BoxyCharm base box. But since Marty doesn't get BoxyLuxe, and he gets BoxyCharm base box, we're going to be opening that for you today. And then, after we do that one, then we'll go on to my BoxyLuxe. Marty's going to unbox that with me too, because I just love the way he explains things. It's quite interesting. So it's time for this lady boss to get to work.
Is that right?
That's right. All right. You go ahead, you pull it, and I'll read it.
641.
No,
Oh.
the box, Marty, the box.
I pulled the box.
We want to know what's in the box.
Merchandise.
Oh, man. So this month's theme for the box is bubbles and glitz. I wonder if that means they're going to send me some champagne. Probably not.
Probably not.
That's a good thought, wasn't it? Some little day drinking. Okay, what you got?
Merchandise.
With me.
Base art. Base art.
Busy art.
Busy art.
There's lots of discussion about how you actually pronounce this name. Vizart, Busy Art. All I know is they're a good company, and I like them.
So what is it?
So this is called the Professional. No, that doesn't say what it is. Seamless Eye Primer.
Seamless.
Seamless. Seamless meaning no seams. Okay.
Why would it have seams on it? It goes to your eye.
So here we go. This is a good sized eye primer. It's got 10 mLs, which for an eye primer is really good. And it looks like it's going to be clear, not tinted. And then, let's see. It kind of has like a silicone-y feel. See? Can't see anything. So, it says, this seamless eye primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. And it is $24. Hashtag VisiArtGlitz. Actually, for a higher end brand, this is pretty much on par for the price.
Could you put that on before you put your eyeshadow on? Or
Yeah,
after?
before. It's a primer, so you want to put it on, let it dry, and then apply your shadow. Some people like to, after they put their primer on, they like to put like a powder to set it. But for me, that kind of defeats the purpose, you know, because I want it to help keep the shadow on my eyes and not just put shadow over top. All right. And sir, what do we have next? next?
Liquid magnetic eyeliner.
That's going to be a twofer. This is going to go with the lashes.
Mm-hmm. Is it?
Yeah. So this is from Glamnetics. It's the Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. And the kit here retails for $63.
Crap on cracker.
The way this works is that
Yeah.
you put the eyeliner on,
This.
and then, yes, and then you're supposed to stick your lashes there, and they're supposed to stick.
Really?
Yeah, because it's a some type of magnetic liner.
You gonna try?
Oh, I am going to try it. I'm always on the hunt for some good eyelashes that I could actually put on. I've tried the ones that clip on with the magnets. I've tried the ones that you put glue on your lash line or above your lash line and put it on that way. That way, I couldn't do it. And I've tried and tried. And then, yeah.
Both of these together or
Yep.
what?
63. So it says, get ready to be spoiled. Okay, you have my attention.
Her name is Lord.
The baby girl is a wispy, round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made from a high quality 100% vegan synthetic fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen and hold them in place. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal wait time, and provides all-day hold. Woo woo. Now,
Can you reuse those?
Yeah, they're reusable. Now, just in case you didn't get a good shot of these, what did they call them?
Fake eyelashes.
No.
Well, what's that one?
That looks natural on the eyes. So they're natural lashes. So look. Those, I would not say are natural looking lashes. Those would be like, wow.
Michelle Kabor probably wears them.
Mm-hmm. And also inside of the package, it also has like a magnetic strip. So when you're done with your lashes, you can just pop them back in here to keep them nice and wonderful. And it has the application tips on the back of the package. So, and then, let's see. And then
I tried to open it. Couldn't.
The Black Magic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. It just looks like a basic eyeliner.
Oh, it was chapstick.
You thought it was chapstick? Really?
Yeah.
And then here is your wand. Little brush. Long brush. But we shall see. But the packaging, the outer packaging is really pretty.
Yeah. Like pink.
I love pink. Okay. What do you have next, dear?
Butter made in London.
I don't think that's the name of it.
Oh. Cuticle exfoliator.
Where on there
Melt
does it say
away.
made?
Oh, it didn't say made. I just put it in there.
You just made it up.
It's
Okay,
London
so
butter. Oops.
he's learning. He's learning. So this is the Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. This gently remove dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveal softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Consistent use of this pain-free and good for your nails formula.
It's glued on.
It's glued on.
Yeah. It says the lift to open.
Where does it say that? It's taped.
That tape. Oh. So sorry.
I guess you just take it and you brush it on your cuticle.
Yeah. What's it for? Does it stink?
Not really.
Don't have another?
Kind of smells like. Oh, I got it on my nose. It kind of smells like if you walk into a salon. If you walk into a salon.
So it stinks.
No. It has like a not like an oily texture, but like a thicker, creamier texture. There's no grittiness, so I don't feel any,
Well, it's butter.
No, that's the brand, honey. Butter London. Yes, I'm still combating with the nose.
Yeah.
You can definitely use some cuticle help on your cuticles.
Never.
So it's the Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Gently remove dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveal softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Consistent use of this pain-free and good-for-you nail formula makes it easier to push cuticles back. Put your clippers away and treat yourself to perfectly manicured cuticles. And this little baby retails for $18.
Ain't bad.
$18 to have nicer looking cuticles over time. I am down for it.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. What you got next in that box?
Another box.
Another box?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Superfood. Glow Priming Moisturizer. Wow.
So, this is from Elemis.
Good.
It is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Retails for $49. Reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula reveals skin or leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. Really? A highlighter? What?
That's cold.
Well, yes, it's cold.
Goodness.
It's been on a delivery truck.
Well, don't they have heaters?
May I please?
I was looking at it.
Really? On the bottle it says kombucha glow moisturizer. I don't know how I feel about putting kombucha on my skin.
What's a kombucha?
Oh, it's a drink that I'll have to explain to you sometime.
as good as rum and coke?
No. Okay. So it has a little tip here.
Oh.
See, now I wouldn't think to use this as a moisturizer. Let's see.
Mm.
It definitely has a sheen.
What?
A sheen.
A shine?
No, not a shine, a sheen. A sheen is like between shiny and matte. It's just like not quite shiny, but not quite regular either. It's like a light, barely there glow. But, and this is when it's dried. I don't see how you would use this um, as a highlighter. There is no highlighting in my skin. It just looks like I put something on it, like a hand cream or something. But the smell kind of smells like oranges, maybe a little citrusy. Not real strong though. And this is 2 ounces.
Mm.
So we'll see if we like it. It's got a package insert, so I will be.
Ow.
Oh, did that really hurt? Are you gonna cry? Boo hoo.
She broke my shoulder.
Okay, and the last thing in the box.
Well, it's not the last thing. There's something else in there.
What?
Huh?
What? That's a shipping foam, honey.
Yeah. Mm. It's a palette that I can't pronounce.
It's from Artist Couture, and it's the Caliente palette. I don't know why I said it like that.
Why do you say it like that? Ah, looking. I like palettes.
He does.
I really do.
He lost his poop over a palette I got in the mail
Oh.
a few days ago.
Now this is a nice palette.
Well, don't just be stingy. Share it with the world.
Not as good as the other one I saw.
Cover the mirror.
Ah, I can't.
Now, some of you might think, how is this like a Christmas palette or a winter palette? But I can see some really cool looks with this palette. It's got like oranges and greens and some fuchsias,
A gold.
gold, brown, nice little yellow. But the palette itself, it is really cute.
And the colors are on that too.
Well, it's not the colors, it's just the names
Well,
of the palette. They have names like Cultura, Fuego, Vibras, Mangorita, Rumba, Brillo, Mamacita, and Sensual. Sensual. No, I'm not even going to pretend like I know how to speak Spanish because I don't.
She knows enough to get in trouble.
Yeah, I do know enough to get in trouble. So here we have the Artist Couture Caliente palette. It retails for $30. That's not really that bad.
Not bad.
It says turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente Fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with the versatile Glow Getter approved palette.
Get her done.
No. No. Okay, so this was a good palette. This was a good box. Now, full disclosure, the Glamnetics, that was the choice item that Marty picked out. Let's just move my desk. Oh. My desk is a horrible, horrible, horrible mess.
Hurricane Lola hit it.
No blue is. Okay. Now, let's get in to this big booger.
Oh, that's too big.
And you know,
what are you doing with my knife?
I'm going to slice and dice this box. I can find where it opens.
Be nice to my knife.
Hopefully I didn't cut anything in the box.
You did.
I'm just going to take this stuff out and put it on my desk. Make it a little bit easier.
What the heck?
Have a little fussy. Oops, that fell off.
Oops. Any product.
Okay. All right. And still, the theme is bubbles and glitz. So hold on just a minute. Reposition my position. Oh. On a unrelated note, my weight loss is going good. My only problem is my boobs.
Oh, here.
Trying to find a bra that's comfortable, especially when your go-to store that you bought your bras for 15 years has suddenly closed because of COVID. And they said, oh, we're going to stay online.
Right.
Yeah, but they never replenish anything. So I'm either stuck with a bra that fits in the band, but it's too small in the cup, or the cups are the right size and the band is way too big, which kind of defeats the purpose. So anyway, that's my side note, my little rant for today. Okay, so what you got?
Huh?
What you got?
A box?
All right, quit being a dick.
No. Trying to see what the name of it is.
Hot mess.
Oh, the Rockins Cosmetics. That's the company. Oh.
Oh yeah, this is the one that caused all this crazy drama on the internet about this company. Basically, the deal is that they have like 2 products online. They've been around for a while because they're a fashion brand, so now they decided to get into cosmetics.
Okay. It says here on the back of the box,
Mm-hmm.
get in a hot mess with Rockins, black, blue, and green, glitter, gel eye pencil,
And then it says threesome.
threesome. Hmm. Okay.
So, Rockins Cosmetics.
Yes.
It's something. My nails, I lost all my nails. And I have yet to go get them done again. I'm still trying to decide what I want to do to my nails for uh, the New Year's Eve. Okay. It came with a card in it. Pretty good, heavy pieces. From Rockins Cosmetics, it says silk skinny scarves, 15% off with this code, Hot Mess. Redeemable at rockins.com.uk. Valid until January 2021. So if you're interested, there you go.
So, what is this?
These are glitter
For your
gel.
eyes?
Yeah, glitter gel eye pens, and they come in 3 colors: blue, green,
black,
and black.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
They are pretty cool looking. I chose this item because the other item that was a choice one was I think it was something like a teeth whitener or something. Obviously, I don't need that. Okay. The Rockins Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. Get in a hot mess with Rockins Maxi Glitter Gel Pens Threesome. Choose from one of 3 intense shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. This was a new launch for Rockins. And $40.
Whoa. For 3 of them?
For 3. I don't know what that breaks down to per pen. I don't like math. Anyway. I don't.
Okay. That's good. Riza.
Riza.
Is that how you pronounce it? Riza?
I guess.
Okay.
Riza, be obsessed. Love my leave-in. Formulated with the gold infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamond for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. And this product retails for $22. Wow. Do not spray that on my hair. I'm actually having a not so bad hair day today.
I have a bad hair day every day.
It smells like a salon.
I don't like the smell of cologne.
But the packaging is really cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this one next.
Jewelry.
Mm-hmm. The choices for this box were not super great. So these are earrings.
Okay.
Let's try them on. They're Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. These are the cushion cut cubic zirconian halo stud earrings. These stud earrings feature a brilliant 2-carat cushion cut zirconias. It's basically a fake diamond, like Diamonique.
Okay.
Or
It's a wannabe if you can't afford a diamond.
yeah. Where would I leave off? Okay. Surrounded by sparkling pave halos, say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earring. These retail for $36. Thank you. I will have to go. All it says on here is Zaxi.com on the package. It doesn't tell me if they're nickel free or anything like that, so
Have to go and check it out.
I will have to go check them out because I have extremely sensitive ears and I'm allergic to just about every base metal known to man. I can wear gold and silver, not the fake stuff, the real stuff, and stainless steel I can wear, but that's it. Okay. What do we have going on next, sir?
What do we have going on next? Well, I tell you, I am really curious about what this is.
Oh, that's a good choice.
I've been eyeballing that thing ever since
Sunday
you brought it up.
Riley. I love Sunday Riley.
Do you know?
Yes, this product is called Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. In a high-potency formula, exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. Skin brightening licorice.
I like licorice.
Me too. This super concentrated treatment also visibly reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even skin tone. Now, this retails for $85. Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Back when I was getting the Sephora beauty box and all the little sample stuff in the Macy's beauty box, you remember those tiny, tiny little samples that I got, and I told you that the full size was like $105?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yep, that's what that is. And I'm going to look forward to smearing it all over our faces. Yay!
It says on this, apply 1 to 2 pumps
Mm-hmm.
to clean dry skin as a leave on treatment.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't wash it off?
No, it's just like putting on moisturizer or a serum.
Oh,
Yep. Okay. Yes, it is.
does it have an odor?
I don't think it does. It has a smell.
Not that bad though. I mean,
It's citrusy. It's not. Yeah, it's
it don't
not.
make you smell like a girl.
No, it's not. They're. I think they're pulling away from products like that because so many brands are gearing towards unisex um, beauty products. So they're trying. I think they're trying not to put like, unless it says rose water or something. Okay, what's that? Oh, that's a long
Advanced?
name. I don't know if you should hold that. It's kind of expensive. Avant Skincare Intense Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer.
Butter.
It retails for $123. And apparently it was knocked around quite good in shipping because there's all kinds of marks all over it.
Take a look at
Yeah,
Is it still thickened?
you're silly. So it says here the ideal remedy against time. This day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. I've never heard that term before, skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. I know that we have gotten this in our box, I think 1 or 2 times. And just recently, too.
Did you use it?
Yeah, there's
Did you like it?
one, I don't know. I have so many moisturizers that it's like, you can't see it, but on this back wall, and then go a little bit that way, the other side of the door, I have a shelf about that long, and it is my skincare shelf. It has moisturizers. It has serums.
Yeah, it's about 2 foot.
There's a few primers up there. So I have a belief that you don't need to use the same products every day. I change mine up, and it just depends on how my skin is. Does my skin need more moisturizer, or does it, you know, need a more serum base because it's not dried out, it's plump. So I have lots to choose from.
Yeah,
All
putting it
right.
there.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the next thing. I'm gonna pick this. This is from Iconic London. I'm not sure what it is. Some type of, oh, it says it's the Blaze Chaser face palette. This is made in London. Or no. Italy. Oh, they make some good products in Italy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we have some blushes, bronzers, some really dark highlights. Oh, I like this blush.
Uh-huh.
Because I haven't really been wearing makeup all that much lately. But when I do, I like a strong blush shade. Now, I know that Iconic London is usually a more expensive brand, and this did not disappoint. So, this is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Retails for $55. An ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth, velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. Now, I do have to say that when your skin tone is milk, like I am, this palette may not have a lot of options for you. As well, this would be a good palette for someone with tan skin, tan medium tone. But I don't know about someone who has darker skin tone, who's dark. I don't see them being able to get much, oomph out of these bronzers. Um, Maybe the highlighters, but the bronzers, I just don't see it. So this might not be the best choice for someone who is either very pale or extremely dark. But as every beautiful gift that I get from Boxycharm, I will give it a fair chance. Next. I really like
What's that?
that. That's gotta be last because it's the biggest mess.
Mm.
Oh, bubble wrap, my favorite.
That's mine.
Okay, I'll let you have it this time. For sure.
Ooh.
And that's me. This is the outer package of whatever he's opening. And for any of you who know me and know me well, you know I love green. And this is so beautiful. Uh-oh. He's seen it. Oh, he cussed.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, you steal my heart. These are gorgeous.
Ooh.
So beautiful.
Angels made that.
Angels made that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful greenish blues and some nude-ish tones. Sparkle.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Hit dot.
Giving me the vapors. Giving me the vapors. All right, let's find out about Hip Dot here. So, I already know that I like Hip Dot because I got one of their palettes. Maybe it was the last Boxy Lux. Anyway, yeah, I love the the um the color payoff and the application. It's just beautiful.
Finally, your inner God,
Goddess.
goddess through the. I can't read all this. They got words coming now.
Um, so this is the C Note pressed eyeshadow palette. It retails for $30. For how many shades? It doesn't say on the
Mm,
back. 15?
yeah,
That's not bad for 15 shades.
really.
It says unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C Note. An homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Oh, so pretty. It's vegan and not tested on animals. So it's Leaping Buddy certified. And the last thing in the box is this beautiful package. Number one, this smells horrible. I had to share.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No,
So this is from Lexi. This is really cute.
this kid. Thanks.
Oh, I just need to air it out. Oh, hello. So this is a brush roll
Like she needs more brushes.
with brushes. These brushes are freaking gorgeous. These are beautiful gold brushes. So this one is the 215 small angle brush. And then we have, I think this is like a contour brush. Yes, this is the 542 contour brush. You know what? I'm just going to take these and move this so it can like air out. Then we have the foundation brush. This is the tapered highlight, which I would also use for a blush. Next one is a medium angle shading brush. And we have, I'm reading upside down, and I need to go to the eye doctor to get my glasses checked. This is a tapered blending brush. Most of these eye brushes are really good for someone who has small eyes or hooded eyes, like moi. This one is a concealer brush, but would also be a great packer brush.
Packer.
Yeah, when you want to pack color onto your lid. We do that, you know. And then the last brush is a large shader. First of all, Luxie makes the best, some of the best brushes. So we have all these beautiful boobies right here. And this set retails for $85. Yeah, that's quite the box. So let's find out exactly how much this box is worth. So the iconic London Blaze face palette is $55. The Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid was $85. Then the Hip Dot palette was $30. The brush set that we just did was $85. The earrings,
36.
$36. The Avant Skincare Day Moisturizer was $123. Those eye pins from Rockins were $40. And the Riza leave-in conditioner was $22. Wow. That is crazy. What did I say that was? $474. That is crazy, man. So after we did Marty's box, I forgot to tally it up. So we had the palette, the eyeshadow palette for $30 and the blushes for $63. And then we had the priming moisturizer for $49 and the eye primer for $24. And then finally we had that Butter London Cuticle Exfoliator for what, $18? And that was $184. $184 for Marty's box. That cost $25. It is a monthly box from Boxymail. And then my box, $474 worth of product in that box, and I paid $49.99. And this box only comes out once a quarter. Because, I mean, seriously, who could afford $50 a month? I mean, I do have 3 subscriptions. I have a base box. He has a base box. And then I have a premium box. Now, the reason I didn't unbox my premium box is because it has not been shipped. So with all the problems that they're having with shipping, and it's not just from the U.S. Post Office, it is from FedEx and UPS and DHL. They're all getting hit really hard between the excessive ordering from the holiday season, and they say being down manpower with COVID. So weather. I mean, I ordered something on the 4th, and I'm still waiting for it to get here. And I mean, it's coming from Massachusetts. The other one's coming from New Jersey. You know, I had one thing that sat in one port for 7 days, and then it moved. So if you're waiting on stuff to come, packages that you've ordered for Christmas, just be prepared. They might not get here in time. And I pray and I hope that if your packages are for children, that they do get here in time, because that would be sad to not have anything for kids on Christmas morning. I'm just saying. That's my soapbox. So, thank you for hanging out with Marty from Just In Case You Forgot here on YouTube, and hanging out with me, Lynette's Beauty Box. And until next time, I just wish you a very Merry Christmas and stay safe. Hug your loved ones. And thank you for supporting my little channel. Mad love to all of you. Bye-bye. Stop that. Now I gotta start over again. Get all your fidgets out of the way.
Nope.
Okay.